Icera ria ndege iguru ria mititu ya Ngong Road Forest, Ololua, Thogoto na Kifiko rionanitie uthukangia munene. Minista wa maria maturigiciirie akianirira ati ikinya ria kurugamia wira maabithaa a mititu muthi wa ira no kiambiriria kio mogaruruku maria mekuoneka ruhonge-ini rwa mititu.
KFS is also living in self-denial. They continue with this narrative that in fact there is no destruction going on. No, this is fake news. Oh, this is stories being made by rivals within the sector.
Keriako okiriire KFS akiuga uthukangia uria ukoretwo githie na mbere ukoretwo gitenderio ni maabithaa aya. Ningi akiuga handu ha gwikirira kuhanda miti ya kimerera makoretwo makihanda mifau na itanya ria guthondeka mbeca.
I am convinced beyond doubt that unless KFS radically overhaul, and I mean radically, we will continue in this game of musical chairs.
KFS ningi kimurikwa ati ikoretwo ikihe marua kuri atemi a miti no marua macio matiekiriire atemi acio kuhanda miti ingi handu-ini ha iria magetha.
The sawmillers who are licensed to harvest our plantations are not required to replant. That is as shocking, as horrifying as it can get.
Muthi wa ira thengia wa maabithaa ya kurugamia wira oroho minista ni arateanirie mubango gatagati ga KFS na andu aria marimaga mititu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kagoni.